Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am very excited because I am going to show you how to stop wasting budget in your Google Ads and scale your business the right way. So today my video's main topic is stop wasting budget, use a dedicated landing page. So let's dive in my screen and I will share you a detailed presentation and in-depth discussion. Okay, so let's go to my screen and I will describe it very details. This is a complete guide for local service businesses and local service businesses to stop burning PPC cash and start converting click to high value client. Okay, so let's dive in and let me first explain the problem. Okay, so are your Google Ads getting more and more expensive, but your conversion are not increasing? If yes, then listen it carefully, very carefully. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a landing page problem. Okay, so this is most important. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a landing page problem. And remember this, winner don't just buy traffic. They know how to convert that traffic into customers. So if you are only focusing on getting more clicks, but your landing page is not good, you are just burning your money. And now let me explain what is a actually landing page. I mean, what is a dedicated landing page? A dedicated landing page is a page that is built for one specific campaign, not ad group or not a specific audience. So it is not your homepage. Think of like this: your homepage like is a general store. Okay, so it has everything, but nothing is special. So a dedicated landing page is like a targeted sales machine. A dedicated landing page is like a targeted sales machines. So it is built for only one purpose, and that purpose is to convert visitor into customers. So this is very important. Okay, now why is a dedicated landing page so critical? Uh, Here is here is the reality. When you scale your Google Ads, traffic becomes more expensive. So the only way to stay profitable is to improve your conversion rate. With a dedicated landing page, you get higher quality score and lower CPC, I mean cost per click, and higher conversion rate, easier scaling. And without a dedicated landing page, you face the opposite, like lower quality score, higher cost per click, lower conversion rate, and scaling and scaling become a painful. Okay, so remember this golden rule: traffic scaling without landing page optimization means money faster burning your money so faster. Remember this. And now this is our next slide. So every winning landing page has four critical elements. Let me share them with you. Element number one is intent match. So the user gets exactly what they searched for, no surprise. And element number two is message match. Your headline must mirror your ads. I'm right. Same language, same promise. And element number three, trust building. Show social proof like reviews, ratings, and certificates. And element number four, friction removal. Make it easy for users to contact you short from clear buttons. So if even one of those 11 breaks, your conversion will drop. And the next, let me teach you about above the fold. Above the fold is the part of your page that users see before they scroll. And this section decided in just 2 seconds.
Will the user stay or will they leave? So here is what you must include above the fold. First, a strong headlines with your keyword and locations. First, and second, a clear CTA button like book emergency service now. And third number is trust indi- indicators. Okay, trust indicators like 5-star Google review or 5-star rating or years of experience. So if you get this section right, user will stay. If you get it wrong, they will leave immediately. They will go leave your website. So let me show you the difference between a bad headlines and a good headlines. A bad headlines just says your company name, for example, like this: welcome to our plumbing company. And does this solve any problem? No. Or does it tell the user what you offer? No. But now look at the good headlines: 24 by 7 emergency plumbing service in Dhaka or in your city. Okay. So why this is good? Because it mirrors what the user search for. It includes the location specific, and it gives a clear promise, and it creates urgency. Always use a good headlines. It makes a huge difference. Remember these things. And next, you need a problem and solution section on your landing page. First, talk about the user's problem. Okay. For example, your home is flooding. Every minute of delay can cause expensive water damage. So this shows the users that you understand their pain. Then present your solution. For example, our certified emergency plumber arrive within 30 minutes. So this is cool, I'm right. And finally, add a benefit. Uh, stop stop the leak fast and protect your home. That's type of benefit. So when you show problem, solution, and benefit, user feel understood and they trust you more and more. And now is scaling your ads without trust is possible, and people will not buy from you if they don't trust you. This line is very, very, very much important. People will not buy from you if they don't trust you. So you must add social proof on your landing page. Here is some high performing social proof type, like Google reviews, before and after image, your case studies, client logos, testimonial with real photo, and trust base. And here is a golden tip: always put at least one trust element above the fold, right where users can see it immediately. Remember this. And now let's talk about your offer. So a weak offer says, contact us today. That's boring, I'm right. That does not excite anyone. And a strong offer says, get a free plumbing inspection worth only uh, like $100 today only. Get a free plumbing inspection worth $100 only for today. So see the difference actually. See the difference. Your offer must be clear, specific, risk reduced, time sensitive. When you give a strong offer, user feels urgency and take action immediately. Okay, so this is very important. And before a customer buys, they have question in their mind. You think on yourself. Before a customer buys, they have question in their mind. price, trust, time, complexity, risks. So if you don't answer this question, the user will leave. So here is the solution. Add an FAQ section on your landing page and answer question like this: how fast can you arrive, and how are and like you are licensed and certified, do you offer warranty, are you any hidden fees? Answer them before the user asked, and this removes doubt and increase your conversions. Okay, and your CTA. This is more important. Your CTA button is one of the most important parts of your landing page. A good CTA must be action driven, benefit driven, uh, visually prominent, and repeated multiple times. So bad example like submit or clicks, and those are very weak. They don't tell the user what will happen. And like this good example: book emergency service now, or get my free consultation today, or fix my plumbing now. So always use strong, clear, benefit focused CTS. Okay, and let me teach you about message match. So this is the process of matching their things. What the user searches, your ad headlines, your landing page headlines, all those must speak the same language. Okay, so this is very important for your Google Ads. So all three must speak the same language. For example, if a user searches running shoes for flat feet, your ad headlines should say best running shoes for flat feet, and your landing page headline should say like top running shoes for flat feet. When you maintain this consistency, your quality score goes up and your CPC goes down. Okay, so now page speed optimization. So page speed directly impact your conversion rate and quality score, you know that. So if your page loads slowly, user will leave before they even see your offer. And here are your target. Okay, here are your target: mobile under 2.5 seconds, and desktop under 2 seconds. So remember, a slow page means lost your customer, and lost customers means lost your budget. So always optimize your page speed. And now mobile first design. So here is an important statistic, like 70% to 90% of local traffic come from mobile device. Okay, 70 to 90% of customer come from mobile device. That means most of your user are on their phones, so your landing page must be mobile friendly. And here is what you need: a thumb friendly button, easy to tap, a fast loading speed, short short section, easy to scroll, sticky city, always visible. Oh, this is awesome feature. Always visible. Okay, sticky city button, and always designed for mobile first, then desktop. This is not optional. This is necessary. And now, one page equal one goal. Listen to this golden rule. One page should have one goal. One page should have one goal. Do not put a full navigation menu on your landing page. Do not put multiple offers. Do not keep hidden navigation. Why? Because those things distract the user. They take attention away from your main goal. Instead, focus on one conversion, either a phone call, or a from submission, or a booking. So remove everything else. Guide the user step by step. Okay, and keep it very simple, keep it focused. That's how you get more conversion. So this is more important. So when to create separate landing page. One landing page is not enough for everything. You should create separate dedicated landing page a when you have different keyword intent like emergency versus pre-booking, different audience like homeowners versus renter, and different location like London versus New York. Okay, so different offer like discount versus free inspection, and different price point like budget versus premium. For example, create one page for emergency plumbing, another page for drain cleaning, and another page for water heater repair. So this is how large account scale profitably, and this is what winners do. Okay, so let me share some common landing page mistake that you must avoid. You must avoid this: sending ads to your homepage, slow mobile speed, and weak headlines that don't grab attention, too many CTA that confuse users, no trust proof or social proof, and long or boring text that nobody reads, and hidden pricing that makes user angry, very angry, no CTA above the fold. uh, if you fix just those mistakes, your performance will be jump fast. Really, trust me on this. And now let me give you the simple formula for success in Google Ads. Right keywords, right ad, right landing page. Okay, and a higher quality score plus lower CPC plus more conversions. It's that simple, very simple. When you get all three right, Google reward you. You pay less, you get more, your business grows. And before I end, let me quickly recap 10 important things to remember. Traffic problem, no. Landing page problem, okay. Dedicated page is not your home page. Okay, and four elements, four elements: intent match, message match, trust building, fiction removal, and above the fold decided stay or leave. And strong headlines equal keywords plus location plus clear promise, and answer objection before the user asked, use FAQ, and mobile speed target under 2.5 second, and one page equal one goals. Be specific, and different intent equal different landing page. Okay, and winners don't just buy traffic, they convert it better. So keep those 10 things in mind and you will succeed. So thank you so much for watching this video. So today we learned why dedicated landing pages are so important for scaling your Google Ads. So we covered the problem, the solution, the structure, the mistake to avoid, and the formula for success. So thank you so much. To I'll try to give best presentation for this topic. So thank you so much, everyone.